it possible that I'm very confused? I have no idea how this match can go. It can go either way, to be honest, but still I have to predict something. But for today's match, I'm going to predict 2-1 in favor of Chelsea. Because Chelsea का home ground है, पहला reason तो वो हो गया. Second reason would be that Chelsea is in a great form at the moment. You know, Kai Havertz, Mason Mount, they are doing pretty good. I mean, they can definitely get a goal or two. So I have a feeling that 2-1 तो आराम से हो सकता है. But then Timo Werner, he's providing great assists. ठीक है, उसका नहीं वो बहुत simple chances, बहुत sitters miss कर रहा है. I understand that. But providing very good assists is also very important. So I understand why he's there on the team today. Pulisic नहीं है, and Pulisic scored the first goal in first leg. So I think उसको भी खिला सकते थे. But then they have so many players यार, किसी को भी खिला लो सही रहेगा. And then second side पे है Real Madrid. Everybody like Benzema is back, then Valverde is back, Mendy is there. So I mean Real Madrid वाला Mendy is there. So काफी अच्छा डिफेंस है, तो उनको रोकने के लिए भी I can say that proper defense है for Madrid. And Benzema का वो goal तो I still can't forget. Beauty, that goal was beauty from Benzema, जो उसने first leg में मारा था. So Benzema है and Eden Hazard is there. So Chelsea के ground Stamford Bridge में who has played more than and who knows Stamford Bridge more than Eden Hazard, and I think there is nobody. So yeah, that's quite a positive point for Madrid right now. So let's see what is going to happen. Very excited about today's game, and अभी half an hour है game शुरू होने में, so I have quite a lot of time for it. Okay, now I'll meet you after first half and I'll do my new prediction. Let's see if this goes my way already, like 2-1. अगर नहीं हो पाता है, then I'll make a new prediction and then I'll meet you after the final whistle. First half is over and the score is 1-0 to Chelsea, and it's quite okay to be honest because Real Madrid has not been a threat as of now. Let's talk about Real Madrid first. They are keeping the ball well. They have a lot of possession. They are setting the pace of the game. But keeping the tempo of the game or setting the tempo of the game does not matter at the moment, because we have seen in the UCL matches that you can have a lot of possession, you can be good at the ball, but what matters is who draws the first blood, and turns out it was Chelsea. Timo Werner gets the goal for Chelsea, but it was actually a Kai Havertz goal, but ball baad pe lag gaya and then Timo Werner was at the right place at the right time. Real Madrid has 4 shots and 4 on target, and I feel the chances that Benzema took were the only good shots that they had. Eden Hazard is not at all visible in the game. Like, I think Benzema is their only chance to get a goal. I don't think there is anybody right now who can get a goal for Madrid, and जितने भी उनके shots हुए हैं ना वो सारे outside the box पे आए हैं. So penalty area में जाने का भी मौका नहीं मिल रहा है उनको. Please don't get me wrong, because I'm not taking anything away from Edward Mendy, because those saves were brilliant saves. Very fine saves made by Mendy, and for Madrid I think they're very slow on the ball. They have to be a bit quick when they're on it, and also having a lot of possession won't matter at the moment if you can't get into the penalty area of Chelsea. You know, only then that I think you can get good goals, because Mendy is actually giving Madrid a hard time to get goals. As I've been mentioning about Chelsea also, Chelsea has been a better side as of now. Rudiger is defending very well. Chelsea is quick on the ball, and you can see that through the game too, that they quite comfortable with the ball. So overall match was really good. It was fun. ऐसे लग रहा था कि दोनों साइड से competition है तो मजा आता है देख के, जो कि कल वाले मैच में नहीं हुआ. PSG वर्सेस मैन सिटी में वो चीज नहीं हुई थी. तो दोनों टीम का वो courage, the zeal and the possibility of getting it, of winning this is quite equal. It was quite equal before Timo Werner's goal, but even now nothing is lost for Madrid. Even in second half they just need one goal and then it will be 2-2. So nothing is really that bad for Madrid at the moment. They just have to be very quick with the ball. I feel they have to get into the penalty areas, they have to get into the spaces, use those spaces so that they can actually get a goal. And I also think it's only Benzema that can do it at the moment. And also, if they can defend well, if they are thinking that Chelsea can't get a goal in second half, they are wrong, because they can easily get that. So a lot of responsibility falls on the defenders of Real Madrid, and we can see Chelsea is getting a lot of space from Madrid's left side of defense. So Militao, Ramos, Nacho, they have to defend very well if they have to stay in the game, because they can get a goal with Benzema in the team. Let's see what happens in the second half, but still Chelsea is the favorable one for me to win this match. So my second half prediction would still be the same, which is 2-1, and I don't think it's going to change any further if Madrid doesn't get a goal as early as possible. It's full time and Chelsea got another goal, so the final scoreline is 2-0. And I think I predicted quite close. I thought maybe Madrid could get a goal, but they did not. They could not. Before talking about anything else, let me just put or bring some history here between Chelsea versus Real Madrid, and that is that Real Madrid has never won a game against Chelsea. Means they have met, I think, 5 times before, which Chelsea has won thrice, and there have been 2 draws. But Chelsea has never lost a match from Real Madrid, and they did not even lose now. So that is a record worth mentioning. Ever since Tuchel has taken over Chelsea as their manager, their defensive record has been perfect. Very good defensive record. And Real Madrid also could not break their defense, and Chelsea managed to keep a clean sheet. That second goal from Mason Mount was beautifully set by Pulisic. It was beautifully set by him. एकदम काम होके उसने बॉल पास करा है मेसन माउंट को, मेसन माउंट ने आराम से स्कोर करा है. Very good goal. Seriously, defending बहुत poor था, and that's what I was talking about. If defensively Madrid could stop them, there was still a chance for them. But also I feel when Madrid made the changes and Valverde and Asensio came in, there was a lot of movement we could see from Real Madrid side, which we did not see in the first half. So I think he could have thought of doing that earlier. Asensio and Valverde brought a lot of pace, movement to the game, which was crucial in a match like this because Chelsea is a very young team and you need speed. You need to be agile to play a game like that. So City and Chelsea are in finals, both Premier League teams. To be honest, we see a lot of matches between Chelsea versus City, so that won't be something very new for us, which is why I wanted Madrid to win, even though that didn't say in my prediction. But Madrid versus City would have been not a very good match, to be honest. City would definitely win then, very easily win. But seeing Real Madrid versus City would be fun. Means seeing clubs of different leagues would have been fun, in finals of Champions League. Wait a minute, am I talking the language of the Super League? Seeing every day Barcelona versus Liverpool and matches like that. What's wrong with me? Anyhow, the match is over and I think bahut time ho gaya that I've not seen Liverpool play. So I'm eagerly waiting for Manchester United versus Liverpool, to which dates have been set. Let's see what happens, but I'll be very excited to see my team. We win, we lose, it doesn't matter at the moment.